Worthless life status sayings. Life is most precious. Life should never be wasted in negligence. However, in certain circumstances, life suddenly stops at the door. It is futile to think of life as worthless, because life is the most precious thing in every human life. Your life is yours alone. There will be many storms here. You have to stay away from all this. You have to love life. You have to move forward. You have to love life, understand life. Understand the meaning of life, know yourself. So the famous people of the world have given some famous quotes about class life. Those who love life, valued time, love themselves, are the ones who have extracted the gold of all today. Love your life. It is completely foolish to think life worthless because of carelessness. Many people will come and go in life because of these reasons. There is no question of ever thinking of life as worthless. What the pages of books teach men, the page of life is much more than that. Teaches something. Be so busy improving yourself that don't spend time criticizing others. Stop looking for your place in other people's lives. Elevate yourself in your life. Dear life, play with me as much as you want. I have not learned to lose either. They are yours. Talk about the past. We'll say whose. Your current to talk about. No qualification. There will be obstacles on the way in life. Failures will come, and all obstacles must be overcome. Once you fail at something and make life worthless, you will never be able to improve. Life is the most precious resource, so this life can never be worthless to anyone. If you ever thought your life was worthless, you are completely wrong. Because if you are hardworking and diligent, you can definitely make life worth living. Life is the name of a picture drawn with a pencil, no part of which can be erased with a rubber. A person's whole life is a simple number. As the days go by, we are moving towards its solution. There is no joy like being alive. What a wonderful view all around. We never see it with our mind. When time is over, only sighs fill the heart. Birth and death are both wonderful. Two memories are exclusively my own, because it cannot be shared with anyone. Don't imitate, don't follow, find yourself, know yourself, go your own way. Fulfilling dreams is not the only goal of life. So, don't give up on your dreams, take them with you. Life without dreams is meaningless. When your pocket is full of money, then only you will forget that you. But when your pocket is empty, the whole world will forget you. What is the value of life if I do not understand that I am alive? Don't always keep yourself or others happy. Well, life isn't bad. Time that passes from this life never comes back. So, we have to value every moment of our life, otherwise our life will become worthless. This society will never value itself and will float in the sea of neglect. Learn to love life, learn to appreciate and understand the meaning of life, or life will become worthless. If you don't want to make yourself worthless, always keep yourself busy so that you can do something with every value of time. Life is like a book as you write it. If you do not value everything in this world, then you must be negligent in everything. If you don't understand what life is worth, then it must be worthless. Everyone will laugh with you if there is value in life. But what a strange world will not cry with you in a life without value. One has to cry alone. Being worthless is the most difficult thing in this life, because there is no task in this world that you will fail. If you try not once, not twice, you will succeed. If you want to live in life, live with courage, or it will become worthless. Believe in yourself. You are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine.